So welcome back, guys. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So I want you guys to see something first. This trend, what are we calling moving average, right, is our 10-period simple moving average. That is one. Secondly, we are in the daily time frame. That is on the bigger trend. So that is to tell you that we are very much looking at it from the higher time frame perspective. Now, take a look at this movement right here. You can clearly see that market is trading below our 10-period simple moving average. So that is to tell you clearly that GBPJPY is on a bearish move. We are very much bearish on our GBPJPY. You can see the market is trading below our 10-period simple moving average. This is to tell you that this is a bearish move. So this is to tell you that what you should be looking out for right now on your GBPJPY is a sell setup. We are going to be going bearish. Now to see it clearly, to see the movement clearly, we need to go down to the forward time frame. So on the forward time frame, clearly see the trend. Now take a look at this movement right here, guys. This is our first low that GBPJPY did give us. Then here comes the lower high. The market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then here comes the lower high, right? Now market was now able to drop one more time right here. So market was able to drop one more time, right? So when market dropped one more time, it gave us a new lower low, right? Now this is the lower high that market did play out. Then here comes the lower low, right? This is the low. Then here comes the lower high, right? Now this is our lower low. Again, you can see that the low took out this previous low. Now this is an equal lower high. So it's either market comes to give us a lower low or an equal lower high. So above all, we should be anticipating for a rejection. Thereby, markets should drop till it is able to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your GBPJPY, going for the sell, we are going to be anticipating for a bearish move on GBPJPY. GBPJPY will still drop more. Have that in mind. So now that is it on the one perspective. Take a look at it on the second perspective, right? This is a multiple rejection zone, which is the resistance. So this is our first rejection that market rejected and dropped. The market give us a second rejection here. This is the third and the fourth rejection. It did double top here. This is also our fifth rejection zone. So if in case markets can pull back, have it in mind that it will drop. So whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPJPY right now, you should be looking for a sell. So guys, once the market opens right on Friday, probably in your London section, be looking for your sell setup because GBPJPY will still drop more. And if you can go in for the sell and hold your position till next week, that will be very perfect. So bearish move is sell for the day is what to be expected. So more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.